This is one viewpoint in Phuket. It's beautiful. So guys, good morning from Phuket. The resort is really empty. I cannot see anyone here. So now we are going for the breakfast. So let's go. We are in the breakfast table, me and Tulika. No one is here. At least my friends are joining today, 2 friends. So it will be fun, I think. Otherwise this place is really empty and I don't like that one. But yeah, the view is good here. I'll show you. Now we are in the best Western Premier Bang Tao Beach Resort. So you can see it's beautiful. So this is the swimming area and that is the hotel area. It's beautiful. And the price is also very good actually, because this is the pandemic time and this is actually 4-star hotel. So facilities are amazing. So the price is for 3 days, I think 5,000 baht. It's pretty cheap and it's good. But you can see no one is here. Very less people. Almost all the rooms are empty. So this side is totally empty actually. And we wanted to have some water, but in outside no convenience stores are open. All closed. So maybe have to go a little bit 2 kilometers up for the water only, because inside this 4-star hotel waters are very expensive. So yeah, need to go somewhere. Hey guys, so the swimming pool is empty here. No one is here. Good. Nice. Now we are going for a good lunch to Patong Beach. Now we are in the Patong Beach, but see, this place is all closed. Everything is closed. It's really depressing,
like a
man.
city kind of thing.
Yeah, everything closed. Everything closed. Feeling hungry like anything, but all the restaurants are closed in Patong. It's horrible. I think we should go that side. Everything's closed. I think so, I don't know. Otherwise we have to go to 7-Eleven. Otherwise we have to go to 7-Eleven or Family Mart. Oh my god. It's horrible. No. What is that? So we got one restaurant there. It's not restaurant or something.
It's closed.
It's closed?
Okay.
Happy Songkran.
Good food. Happy Songkran na?
Happy Songkran, yeah.
Menu is very big. Very big menu. Actually, we found one restaurant. So actually this is a good restaurant previously, but they closed and they opened only for few people. And the price is also very cheap. And we have ordered a lot of good Thai food because I love Thai food. We love Thai food actually. So yeah, we ordered amazing food and we'll sit there and we'll eat. I'll show you all the foods. So guys, now we are in Patong Beach and we had amazing lunch and it was cheap actually. So the owner was saying that it was very crowded before pandemic, but now they closed all the shop, but they just small portion they just opened. But yeah, it was very good and owner was very good and she gave us very good discount. And this is a beautiful Patong, you can see. So now we are heading to the Surin beach. So the sunset will be good from there. Here also it will be good. But yeah, we'll explore another beach. Yeah. So let's go to Surin beach. This is one viewpoint in Phuket. It's beautiful.
Got his eyes, but my heart still beats. When I say no, it's yes. I'm putting you to the test. Can you handle me? Do you have the key? Sorry that I can't. Do you really have what it takes? I guess so, I guess so. I guess so, I guess so.
Now we are in Surin beach and we are enjoying the amazing sunset.
No, I think so. Okay, let me just be honest with you. I want you.
If you are coming to Phuket now, so you should come in Villa Market actually. So this market is very happening. You can get Mexican food and see, this is very happening place and a lot of people you can find. Otherwise everything is closed, almost everything is closed in beach side. Yeah, I love this place actually, right? It's a good place. And you should try Coffee Club. The Coffee Club is very good coffee actually, and the price is also good. Yeah, this is the craft beer shop. Oh, it's raining here in Phuket. And we are in, yeah, cool setup here.
So I guess so.